Today, we're going to get hands-on with how you can use color in advertising to create memorable and impactful campaigns. This lesson is all about practical strategies and insights that you can apply directly to your advertising projects. Let's dive in and explore how to harness the power of color to capture attention, evoke emotions, and drive consumer behavior. Have you ever seen an advertisement that instantly grabbed your attention? What was it about the ad that stood out to you? Often, it's the color that makes the first impression. Colors can communicate messages quickly and effectively, sometimes even more powerfully than words. Understanding how to use colors strategically can be a game changer for your advertising efforts. The psychology of color in advertising. Colors can influence perceptions and behaviors in various ways. Let's break down some key colors and their psychological effects. Red stimulates excitement, passion, and urgency. It's perfect for creating a sense of urgency in sales and promotions. Think of brands like Coca-Cola and Target, which use red to capture attention and evoke strong emotions. Blue conveys trust, security, and calmness. It's commonly used by financial institutions and tech companies like PayPal and Facebook to instill confidence and reliability. Yellow evokes happiness, optimism, and warmth. It's great for attracting attention and creating a cheerful, friendly atmosphere. McDonald's and Snapchat effectively use yellow to create a positive brand image. Green symbolizes nature, health, and tranquility. It's ideal for promoting eco-friendly products and brands focused on wellness, like Whole Foods and Starbucks. Black represents luxury, sophistication, and elegance. High-end brands like Chanel and Mercedes-Benz use black to convey exclusivity and premium quality. Practical insights for advertisers. Define your brand's color palette. Start by defining a color palette that aligns with your brand's identity and values. Your primary color should reflect your brand's core message, while secondary colors can complement and enhance the overall look. For example, Coca-Cola's primary color is red, which represents energy and excitement, while its secondary colors, white and black, provide balance and contrast. Understand your target audience. Different colors resonate with different demographics. Research your target audience's preferences and cultural backgrounds to select colors that will appeal to them. For instance, younger audiences might respond well to vibrant and bold colors, while older demographics might prefer more subdued and classic tones. Create contrast and hierarchy. Use color contrast to highlight important information and guide the viewer's attention. High contrast color combinations, like black and white or yellow and black, can make text and calls to action stand out. This is particularly effective in digital ads where you want to capture attention quickly. Evoke the desired emotion. Choose colors that evoke the emotions you want your audience to feel. If you're promoting a luxury product, opt for black or gold to convey sophistication. If you're advertising a summer sale, bright colors like yellow and orange can create a sense of fun and excitement. Test and iterate. Conduct A/B testing to see how different colors impact your ad performance. What works for one campaign might not work for another, so it's important to experiment and gather data. Pay attention to metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and overall engagement. Case study: Airbnb's rebranding. Let's look at a practical example. Airbnb's rebranding in 2014. The company introduced a new logo and color scheme to better reflect its global, community-oriented brand. The primary color, a soft coral, Rausch, was chosen for its warm and inviting feel, aiming to convey a sense of belonging and hospitality. Complementary colors included teal, yellow, and navy, which added diversity and vibrancy to the brand's visual identity. Airbnb's strategic use of color helped to humanize the brand and connect with a diverse audience. The rebranding was a huge success, enhancing brand recognition and contributing to Airbnb's growth in the competitive travel market. Research insights. A study published in the Journal of Marketing Research found that color can account for up to 90% of the snap judgments made about products. Lebrecht and Milne, 2012. This underscores the importance of choosing the right colors for your advertisements. Another study from the International Journal of Advertising highlighted that ads with high color contrast and saturation tend to be more memorable and engaging. Gorn, Chattopadhyay, and Dahl, 1997. Celebrity story: Steve Jobs and Apple's color strategy. Steve Jobs was a master of using color to create iconic product designs and memorable advertisements. When Apple launched the iMac G3 in 1998, it broke away from the drab beige computers of the time by offering a range of bright, translucent colors. This bold move not only made the iMac stand out, but also redefined Apple's brand as innovative and user-friendly. Jobs understood that color could make technology more approachable and appealing, leading to a significant increase in sales and brand loyalty. Conclusion: as we wrap up, think about how you can apply these insights to your own advertising campaigns. Consider your brand's identity, your target audience, and the emotions you want to evoke. Use color strategically to create contrast, highlight important information, and test different options to see what resonates best with your audience. In our next lesson, we'll apply what we've learned about color psychology in a real-world scenario, exploring how to use colors effectively in different contexts. Until then, observe the advertisements you encounter and consider how their color choices impact your response. See you next time.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.